Alrighty, guys, this is For here, and today we're looking at a hardware update because I like showing that with you guys. I got this from Brett and Nicole for my birthday, which is my mom and dad. Go check out the channel; she'll be in the top of the description. Helps go support them to do vlogs and stuff as well. But yeah, we're gonna be looking at the C920 Pro HD webcam. So this shoots at 1080p at 30 frames per second and 780p at 30 frames per second. I have no clue what my camera shoots at. It should be popping up right now what my camera shoots at now. It's at 1080p though. I know that much. I don't know how many frames per second. But we're gonna plug this bad boy in once we unbox him and see what he looks like. See if he looks better than the one had to look better than one I had. The one I had was a 740 at 480, I believe. So this has to definitely be better. But yeah, let's pop this bad boy open and let's see what he looks like. Alright, I'm back. I went and got something to open up the box, and I looked at the back, and there's some more stuff. So it has stereo audios with dual mics, has dual microphones, has autofocus and light correction, which sounds pretty nice. Yeah, it says at 1080p. Let's see, the focus is auto. I'm sure you can notice this is auto, so never mind. Let's see, it has full HD glass. So there you are for that. It's 78-degree field of view. And the microphone is a stereo microphone as well. So, pretty nice. I really must admit, it seems pretty good right now. So far, let's open this thing up, see what's inside. And there it is right on top, actually. Pointing right out at you. Filming it immediately. So, let's see. Is this just it? I believe so. I don't know. Let's see. Here's the whole microphone. I mean, not the microphone. The whole webcam and everything. Pretty nice. Let's see what else is in here, though, real quick. So, what's in the rest of the box? Is it just nothing? Yeah, it's just nothing. Just all packaging. Alright. So that's good to know. Is that something? No. That's nothing. Alright. Let me see. I think I just hit my green screen as well. And then there's just, of course, like a little safety and warranty information. Just tell you about your warranty and safety and all that. I guess everything else is pretty self-explanatory for a webcam. So, I'm going to mount this thing real quick. Oh, and it can be mounted on a tripod. Don't know if that'll show up on video. Wait one second. I think you have to turn off recording. Kind of a stupid design, but anyway. There you are. See? Little plug hole to put in a tripod. That's probably what I'm going to do. So, yeah, it looks pretty decent. Like I said, I'm going to set this bad boy up, and I'll see y'all in just a second. Pretty nice looking. Alright guys, so we're on my computer because there's some stuff you have to do. I had to look it up and everything. For some reason mine did not come with the setup guide. So yeah, what you have to do is with the setup guide you have to go to the logitech.com/support/C920 will be in the description. What you have to click on there or just come to Logitech and you'll have to find it yourself. You get to get it started to show you how everything was set up and some other stuff to set it up. It really didn't help me that much, to be perfectly honest, but you could do some other stuff. But what you have to do is you do have to install drivers on your computer. What you want to do is go to downloads, and it works on all things. It works on my Mac and Windows. I was trying to say it should automatically pick it for you, but I don't know how to change it. I think you click on show all downloads. Yeah, choose iOS or Mac. I mean OS, which one you have and everything. So, yeah, that's how you change it. Click on download now. I already have it downloaded. And then what you get is you get this little hub right here. Logitech G Hub. And then on here, if my camera was plugged in, wait 1 second. I should plug it in real quick. Might be a smart thing to show you. There's like little things you have to let your computer do, like let it data and stuff like that. Then what you want to do is you want to click on it. Then if you want to change it, to change the colors or anything like that, the saturation or anything like that. Yes, I have another curtain there because it does not want to do that. What you're going to do is you want to go into camera mode. It should be on default. I did not like default. What you do is go to camera mode or video call, whichever one you want. I click on new to make my own special one to change the exposure, the focus, and all that. And you can change your video, contrast, sharpness, white balance, saturation, and brightness. Only thing I changed was my saturation. But yeah, that's about it for this right here. So let's see what the camera looks like completely. So yeah, let's check that out real quick. All right, so this is what the camera looks like. Looks very decent, honestly. Even my other camera, which records at 1080p, don't look this good. I mean, this is a nice looking camera. I really must admit, it is very nice looking. I like it a lot. My green screen and everything works a lot better with this one. As you can see, I can get up. Green screen don't go away. So yeah, I like this one a lot. I really like this camera. I've been playing around with it a lot. I've recorded like an hour and 30 minutes where I came back and done the rest of this so I could like work out the kinks and everything. There was not that many kinks. Um, so yeah, that about does it for this video, guys. Should you get if you're looking into a camera, Logitech is a good one to go with. I think it's like around $80. I do believe 80 US dollars. I mean, it's a pretty nice camera to have. I like it a lot. I could not find another 1080p camera that's actually good quality, to my opinion, on looking around and everything for besides Logitech. And I love the Logitech company. But yeah, that about does it for this video, guys. If you guys like this video, give this video a like, subscribe, hit that bell. If I ever get any new hardware, I'll show it to you guys and stuff like that. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye! I can't roll away anymore because of my green screen. Yay. Goodbye.